Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to log out of your Roblox account on your Android device. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting issues, or just taking a break, logging out is a quick and easy process. Let's walk through the steps together so you can do it effortlessly. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're on the home screen of the app, where you can see all your games and options. This is where your Roblox journey begins. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. This section contains various options related to your account and settings, so it's a key area to remember. Once you tap More, scroll down through the list of options. Keep going until you find the Log Out button. This might be located a bit further down, so don't rush it. Take your time to find it. Now, when you tap on Log Out, a confirmation message will pop up. This is to make sure you really want to log out, just in case it was a mistake. Confirm your choice by tapping Yes or Confirm. And just like that, you've successfully logged out of your Roblox account. Logging out can be helpful for several reasons, like keeping your account secure or switching to a different account. Remember that you can always log back in whenever you want, just by entering your credentials again. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.